Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to return items to SHEIN. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is go ahead and open up your SHEIN app, and once you open it, be sure to be logged into your account. And once you're logged into your account, you'll be seeing this kind of interface. Right now on the top left corner of the screen, you'll be seeing your mail icon. Simply tap on that, and here that will bring you to this orders and new or this message page. Right now simply tap on orders, and once you tap on orders, here you'll be seeing this kind of page. Now in order to return item, simply tap on the option that is return item on the bottom of the screen, and once you tap on that, here now you got to select the item that you want to return. And once you have selected the item, here you have to enter in the reason for the return. And once you have entered in the reason, you got to upload the photos as well, because photos are requested when applying for return. And once you upload the photo, the next step is to click on the next step. And once you have tapped on or click on the next step, here you will have two options, that is refund method and return method. Simply tap on return method, and here you will be provided with two options, that is post office and UPS store, return by UPS return label, return by UPS return label by QR code. Now once you have selected the reason, here you'll be seeing this kind of page. Now all you gotta do is simply tap on submit, and a UPS return label or a UPS QR code will be sent to you along with your return confirmation mail. And that's basically how you can return items to SHEIN. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.